Colin!
Get out of here.
Go! Leave already! I'm a unicorn!
Well, you guys, it's another beautiful, soon-to-be morning here at Camp Cornhusker. And as always, these three gentlemen up here need to get ready just as everybody else needs to get ready. So let's get these guys' arms in their shirts.
What I do love movie Aliens. Shirts. Gosh, you know, I can't find the armholes. I might as well just punch a new one. Woo! Got me a shirt.
I'm bigger. Hey. Save that for later, okay?
So much
That's a
easier
dinner
for him,
skit.
I can
So,
barely reach him.
as always, these guys need to have their breakfast. So,
Bowl. I want a bowl.
here you
Give
go,
me a bowl.
Spaz. Here's a
Thank
bowl.
you. Wait a minute. There's
I
good
don't
stuff.
even eat breakfast. Busy guy. No, I think you need to have breakfast.
Wait a minute.
So,
We got to
can't
do
do
this
cereal.
today.
We got some Cheerios here. Here goes Spaz.
Oh, Cheerios!
Oh, that's...
Oh, you gotta get the bowl first. Hey, Spaz. Get bowl first. No. Gosh, I'm so darn bad.
And, you know, what good is cereal if they don't have their milk, right? Here you go, Spaz.
Yeah, milk. Gosh, I'm so good. Opening this so quick.
Where is it? It's so far away. I don't know how I'm going to open this. I've only got...
Oh, might help you guys if I get some spoons here.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
There you go, here's your spoon.
Thank you, Nick.
You okay there, Giggly?
Nick, I'm second thinking this. I'm having second thoughts about this whole spoon
Are
idea.
you busy?
Yeah, I'm busy.
Are you busy? You might just want to get it all going.
Make this
I don't need
faster.
a spoon.
All right.
Are you?
And you know, what good is cereal without some good old fruit, right?
Oh yeah. I love bananas. Hold on, I gotta try karate chopping. Wow. All right, now I'm gonna shoot
Oh, my eye.
Hey, you want some of mine?
Wait a minute. Nick, am I supposed to eat the peel?
Only if you want.
I don't want it.
Well, then no, you don't.
All right, cool.
But
That's
it's
pretty
pretty
good,
good if
yeah.
you don't want to.
Now, hey Shay, I'm putting banana butter on your bald spot.
So, now that they have their breakfast eaten, it's time to brush their teeth. Ladies and gentlemen, here's your toothpaste, Spaz.
Nick, I lost my toothbrush.
It's a little dirty.
Well, guess you have to find an alternative.
Looks like I haven't washed
Shay,
it.
that's a beautiful toothbrush. I love your choice of toothbrushes.
I wonder if the spoon would work just as good. Alright, whatever. Gotta make sure to get that gum line.
Hey, usually helps to open up your mouth, Shay. That's how you roll it, Shay.
I think I'm good. I'm good.
Alright, well, you guys, you all know what's next. It's time to shave.
What about rinse?
Hooray.
You don't need a rinse. You can
Yes,
just
I
shave.
do.
Tiny big baby.
I am a
Go
big
ahead and
baby. And I like being a big
I want to
baby.
rinse.
Do I need
I want to do
the
it, but my
diaper?
arms sure don't.
Yes.
Well, that's too bad. We should have to bring it.
Oh. Wait a minute. I think Andy has a man diaper in his office.
That's too far of a walk. Do you need some help there, Chris?
You know, I sure wish I could reach that far.
Yeah.
Make sure you guys drink some of that water. You guys are going to need it.
I really
Because
wanted to rinse my eyes.
it's not that was
Join
fun
the
to shave.
club.
A lot of toothpaste
Baz,
in my
you good
eyes.
now? You
Yeah,
shaved now?
I think
You
so.
shaved?
Wait a minute. Has it been at least a month?
I just shaved. You know what, Baz? I think this is your first time.
Congrats.
Yay!
Make sure to get it, get it behind your ears. You gotta get behind your ears and everything. Getting it in the hair doesn't help. We all know you need a haircut.
High five, Shay.
Don't get his hair. He's already missing it.
Oh, yeah.
What about it now? Now Chris knows how to shave. So,
A lot of hair on my nose.
Here's your razor, Shay. Chris, I'm not sure what your razor is.
I'm not sure either.
I think there it
there
is.
we
There
go.
it is.
Mixed in there with your cereal,
I
huh?
don't know.
No, don't
Oh,
stick my
there it is. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Gotta get the mustache, too.
Shave my lip. That's awesome.
Gotta make sure I don't end up looking like Scott.
Alright, you guys, I think it's time to rinse now, so get some of that water again. Go ahead and rinse.
You're welcome, Shay.
Shay, it usually helps to get water over your
That's how it got that way?
Alright, you guys, I think you guys need to dry out. Here you go, Sal.
Oh, thanks a lot, Nick. Here you go, Chris. Here's the towel. Gosh, I'm such a good aim. Towel, Chris.
Here you go, Chris.
I think I'm
Take
done
that
with
first.
it.
Souvenir? Anybody? I think I need a Well, you guys, I think they need some hair gel, don't you?
Wait a minute, I don't use hair gel. How about I just brush it instead?
Why would you do that to yourself?
Chris, you want some hair gel, right?
Uh-oh, I think it's getting stuck. Nick! Ah!
Well, got a knife here. We can just always get it out.
That's not hair gel, it's hand sanitizer! Shay, you're always
I
saying
sure hope I
that.
can reach the top of my head.
Oh,
Chris, would you like a comb?
Oh, please.
Here we go.
Thank you. That feels so pretty.
I'm so pretty! I don't know the rest. Oh, da 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 da.
Shay, I don't think you need a comb. There's not enough hair there.
Oh.
So, I think you guys, it's time for your morning coffee, right?
Yay! Come
Now, Shay needs a lot of coffee to get around in the morning.
Oh, I don't really drink coffee. The caffeine is such a gross.
So,
Holy crap!